Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for this Ford 3-button key fob. But before you get started, make sure you have a CR2032 battery on hand, just like this one. First, we need to press the two release buttons on either sides of the fob. Doing so, it will pop up the case open just enough for you to get a fingernail in and pull it apart. Now you need to get a very small screwdriver just to get out the key fob blade and remove it from its housing. Then take a flat screwdriver and slide it into the slot at the top of the case. Now give it a gentle twist and the fob will separate, allowing you to open it fully. Inside you'll see the battery. Use a smaller flat-headed screwdriver to carefully pop the old battery out of its housing. Alright, finally take your new battery, set it into place, and then reassemble the key fob by simply reversing the steps we just followed. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.